This is another great resume here. This is not the person's real name. You can see here too. Let's see here. This person has a lot of employment stability. This is not formatted properly, probably because it was converted from a PDF. So that's why it looks like this. There's nothing really to worry about here. This person started in 2013, and then they graduated in 2013. So their experience really consists of this, and their time at Baker Botts doing this, and if that's the real firm they're at, and this other stuff. So here's what I would do with this. Let me just see here. I think this person's a real estate finance attorney, and then this is their experience. So this person is went to a good law school and great colleges and so forth. And I don't know that there's really much to do with this. I think most of this stuff, honor court leader, frankly, scares me. Honor court, where I went to law school at University of Virginia, and in my my second year of law school, there was a class that all these third-year attorneys took, or third-year law students took, and I don't know, it was something about how to do legal research. And like 10 of them plagiarized a paper, or maybe more, and they all got kicked out of school, like right before they graduated. Honor courts scare me. And I don't even think they plagiarize a paper. I think they plagiarize footnotes or something. So those types of courts always scare me quite a bit. But this is really the meat of this particular resume. This is a great resume. It's the formatting of this is, by the way, is not this attorney's fault. It's our fault. This person does this. For here, because they do real estate finance law, you can see here they pretty much have all this. I would probably have a transaction sheet to go at the end. And then the stuff about being a member of the junior league, which looks like a good thing, I would probably put after experience. I don't know that I would have all of these different jobs that the person's done before. I think they all can go out. I would put the junior league stuff here, and I would just say other activities. And then I don't even think all this other experience is necessary. But all this other experience is necessary here. Something along these lines is really all this person needs. And then they could certainly, and then they should beef up their experience probably at Baker Botts. And then you can just put associate. It's obviously their senior associate. And then you have a really strong resume. The person has definitely done a lot. And then maybe you could put personal or something along those lines to discuss more stuff. But a lot of the other stuff this person's done prior to law school really isn't relevant. I think that the person's finance experience is, and I think that this person should probably beef up this resume a little bit. But this is a great resume. It's very strong. It's just you want to make sure that the best parts come out. It's just it probably hasn't been edited in a while, so they're probably using the same resume that they had maybe in law school because they've been out for so long. And so I would just clean it up and maybe list a little bit more about their experience at Baker Botts.